You ready to get jiggy with it? Hell yeah. Straight ahead on the barracks. Hit! Good shot! On today's footage, Michael will be using the Spenka, is it a core, is it an edge?
I don't know.
The Spenka, and he has the Cancer Tactical hollow sight. You know, the best hollow sight on the market. Sir, what do you feel about this fine weapon you have today?
I'm beyond pissed off that I even have to use it.
You hear that? He's beyond pissed off. We have 10 minutes to get this objective. We need to go.
I'm telling them. We got 12 and 9. Where they at? Where they at?
Hey, straight across. My 11. There's an LMG posted up. Okay, what the fuck?
Dude, we're getting swapped.
That LMG guy back there's not calling it.
That fucking dry and everything. What are you doing with that? Tell me the exact wrong thing. I'll get hit! Let me walk.
You lying back there? LMG is behind a tree, about my like 11:35-ish. Or not. Hey, I cleared them out a little bit. We might be able to move a little bit. Let me repack real quick. Cover me. Max. Straight ahead and then a little bit on the right side too. To our left. He's in the woods. Call it. We got 3 minutes to do this? Then let's fucking do this.
Grayson, is that you?
Yeah. Where's the black box? Anyone know?
No. I got it. Get the fuck in here.
Grab that shit. It's all or nothing right now. We got 3 minutes to take this bitch or we're fucked.
I'm
What's the building I'm trying to take?
5.
Okay.
Move! Left window! Left window!
Slide again.
You should be in the back of the helmet.
Huh? I failed my slide.
Ah! Nice shred, nice shred. Hit! Thank you, good sir. Yo, check out the snow fog, boys. Sick as fuck. Oh, I cannot wait to go back inside. Hey, right there. Let him up.
Good job.
On the other side. No.
Watch that tower. Yeah.
Fucking orange dudes.
Yeah, fuck them orange juice.
Right window.
I'm gonna push through that barricade.
Got it.
You got it?
Must have moved then. Fuck. Right there. Nice kill. What team? Bill, watch out. Me? You hit my cummerbund right here? Okay, cool. I didn't feel it. I got my carrier.
Let's take fire. Oh,
Hey, is that tan straight ahead? Right there.
Pardon?
That bunker right there. My 12, exactly where I'm facing. I think that's tan.
Yep, he's good. Whoa,
Hey,
whoa,
flying to you.
take a fire for building
5. We're gonna get picked off if we don't move to cover.
Coming out, they're coming out. You gotta move back.
Hit.
Fall back, fall back, fall back.
Moving.
I gotta reload. Watch out for that bunker. You're sturdy?
Yep, I'm good.
Come on.
Watch those windows.
We need to fall back. We need to fall back hard.
I can cover if you want to go.
You peek your head up right now, you die. No.
No?
Start crawling.
Gun sticking out. Left side, building 5.
Right, which side?
Left side, building 5. From right here, you can see the corner. See the corner of building 5?
Yeah,
There he is.
I see him.
Bunch of them.
Hold on. Not feeding.
I want to push up to the cover up there.
Is that you behind me? Move it to me.
Hey, come on.
On you. Right. Gonna call it? I'm hitting him. He's on a spool. There he is. He called it. So watch out, they're shooting at this fence. He's on the side of the wall again.
That guy didn't fall, it ran off.
Did he really? He threw his hand up. E, watch out. In the window, in the window! I'm dry, reloading. Hey, behind us, E. See him. Right there on that wall. He's hit, he's hit. He's hit. Hey, somebody deploy on that triangle. Watch our rear.
We got multiple behind this compound.
Multiple?
Yeah.
Pushing?
3.
E, get on that wall over there.
Which one?
The triangle.
Back there?
Yeah. Do it. Left window, gun hits count. Hey, move up, move up.
There we go.
I got one over here.
Listen, we took out a few of them. They're gonna respawn. We need to cut that line. We're gonna sit right here and we're gonna hold out till we get a force big enough to push, all right?
Okay.
Stay low. One pushing up from center. You see him? Orange gorilla right there. When you get the shot, lay into him. Take his legs if you need it. Called it.
My gun's dead.
No way.
Nope. Never mind.
Move up.
Hey, friendly's over here.
Friendly's on your back.
You want to try to take this comm tower. Get behind him. I'm guessing this is your squad on our left?
You mean right? Yeah.
I'm better left and right.
Your left makes
Is someone firing from here or is that somewhere else?
Probably a compound. They've been nailing us this whole time. We sat here and played cover for you guys to get up here, just to hold it out.
Hey, one down, one
Maybe you
down.
have a grenade.
I do not. Michael has a thumb. Where's Michael?
I don't know where Michael is at. If you guys can put some pressure on here, we're gonna try to get on that radio tower and get behind him real quick. This fog is gonna give us enough leverage to move.
Where are they at over here?
Mainly in the bunker, at building 5 and behind building 5.
Yeah, right here, yeah. What about over here?
Over there, I'm clueless besides compound. Compound cannot really reach out here, so. Oh, would you look at that? Getting all snowy. What?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, go for it. It's like deep and it's kind of fogged up because it's cold, but. Oh!
What the fuck just happened?
Aaron!
Nade went off.
Aaron happened.
Oh, what the fuck?
Still hostiles in here?
Yeah.
Got it.
We gotta go on.
Go! Get in there now!
Friendly's in building?
Hey, building 10, building 10.
One time. Hey, watch those kill holes on them. Hey, watch out to our right. There's a few forces. Not sure if they see us yet. Careful, I'm pushing this.
Alright.
Hey, Green! Could have yelled out to us, Bill. We almost shot your shit in.
Friendly?
Yeah, friendly. Hold on. I'm getting R6 on this freaky hope.
Yeah, Mesa.
Don't call me Mesa, I swear to God.
Mason, this is where you from.
No, this is a better angle if I sit on my knees like this. Max, just make sure that window is covered, because if not, my dick is going off. Can somebody get a picture of me like this? Please, I need to post this on IG. Chris, come around with me real quick. We're gonna make sure outside's all good. No, they're alive. Get ready to drop them. There's no way. He called it. What are you shooting at? Oh, I see. Chris, I'm gonna get up and move. Oh, that would have been bad. Hey! Over there! He's in the building with you! I'm on your team! He's right there! He's in a 5 to the right. He's on the kill hole. We have this building secure, right? We have this building secure, right? We're on team. We got an enemy in a kill hole back there. He's on Wolverines. Oh, I see him. He walked in there to get shot. What team you on? Wolverines or? You want to call a hit? You want to call a hit? We're all green. We're all green. That guy isn't green. Wait, who?
Wait, hold on. You're all green. Who's what? Yeah.
All right, hold on. What are you?
Wolverine. What are you?
Green? Okay.
He is a Wolverine.
I got confused because I saw camo and I'm like, okay, he might be green. And I saw my guys push in there, which now that I look at it, so what the fuck is going on?
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, I'm gonna call it out because those guys have me dead to rights, so I'm out.
Okay, what are you?
I'm green.
What are you?
We're good guys. He's a bad guy.
What is happening?
Well, because
He's out. He's saying he's out.
And what are you?
What are you?
Hey, where'd you come from? He's a green.
Russian or not?
I'm Russian.
You're not Russian or you are?
I am.
Boom. Done. You're done.
dead. I'm dead. He's dead.
Go back to respawn. Go back to respawn.
honestly,
You gotta go back to respawn.
I could have
Simple as
tried to
that.
make a quick shot.
That was so confusing.
Hey, in the doorway over here. Hey, right side. Hey, do we got an OMG? Spray around this corner. There's one behind a tree. All right, watch this side. Aaron, anyone comes through there, I want them dead to rights.
Watch the hole. Go to your right. Go to my right behind those barrels.
Hey, this is giving me PTSD, man.
Go. All right, go.
What the fuck?
You're good, buddy. You're good. Where'd you go? Almost.
Nah. Hold on. I'm skinny as fuck too. I got a tank in my back though. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get that. Nah.
Hey, yeah, look out. You're like up in the wall.
Would you look at that?
What is it?
All right, we took Barry Spoon back, boys. Let's go. Let's fucking go, boys. Good job, boys. Do your job.
All right, now I want mess hall. Onymless on me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another Airsoft video. Today is the Red Dawn event held at Blastcamp. There was a lot of really cool stuff that happened here. All my friends hated it, but I absolutely loved it. Probably because I got to play in the cool parts of it. But yeah, just to wrap up and summarize how this event ended, because I didn't exactly show it in footage. I'll have some footage of what happened playing while this is going. But basically, after we took over Barracks 1 and they pushed us really far into our spawn, they kind of overpushed and we managed to take them all the way back to our objective building that we needed to capture. And we pretty much just held them at Compound, the big compound. I think you guys know where that is if you watch a lot of my videos. But we held them really close to their spawn and we basically kind of won from that because their whole team gave up and then game was called. But that's kind of how this whole event ended. But other than that, this event was really fun. I loved the atmosphere. It was really cold. Really cold. I remember in the morning, we were sitting there and the wind chill was, oh, it was awful. But it was definitely worth it for this event, at least for me. Because I love the atmosphere. I love snow. Ugh. I love really snow, like, I can't say that. I love slow snowfall. There we go. It's really cool. It's really atmospheric. Plus the fog was really cool. It was just fun to play in. Yeah, this event was really fun for me. Other than that though, I appreciate all you guys for watching this far into it. It's technically my first gameplay, not gameplay of 2023, but first upload of gameplay from 2023. So I guess that's cool. I'm kind of embarrassed it took this long for me to get this footage out there, but I was pretty backlogged for a while and I'm happy to say that I'm pretty much almost out of it. So yeah, all the 2023 footage shouldn't be backlogged unless I really mess something up. But yeah, I feel like this outro is going on for a bit too long, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. If you guys airsoft a lot in the Midwest area, be sure to join Onymless. It's our Discord server. We host events there. We host squad ups. So if you're in the area and you know want to group up with people, best place to go. It's just a really good social platform for airsofting as well. Be sure you guys follow my Instagram, my Twitter, And do I have something else? Oh yeah, TikTok. I post there a lot of good pictures on the Instagram. You know, you gotta get some good pics for the gram. But yeah, I don't know. I guess I felt like talking for this outro, which I usually don't. But yeah, I love you guys. Have a good day, night, whatever time it is for you. And yeah, peace out.